Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alex is here with Modesty. Today, I have my add-ons from Boxycharm finally arrived. So I'm dying to see what's in there. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you guys? I'm doing just dandy. And anyway, I'm so excited because I finally got my Boxycharm. And so I'm hoping that this is all okay because it sounds like it's rattly. And there's some palettes in here, so yeah, but I did finally get it. And it's kind of weird because it still says pending. And even though I copied the number onto the actual FedEx one, FedEx is down now. I'm like, dang it. So it's I can't win for losing, but it does work though. But anyhow, so let's get it going. No, wait, we can't get it going. I'm so excited about getting into this box. I forgot about our affirmation cards. So our affirmation cards. So what is today? Okay, here we go. Picking one. And oh, this is cute. Look. It's like a little girl with a balloon. What does it say? I am loved and cared for, not only by my friends and family, but also by myself. So important, guys. Self-love, self-care. Okay? I am loved and cared for, not only by my friends and family, but also by myself. And you know what? I totally buy that. I totally, truly believe that. And, you know, I consider you guys my family and my friends. And I just feel like when, you know, I'm making these videos for you guys, I just want to do my very best job that I can do so that way I can add value to you because you guys give me back so much encouragement. And you guys give me something that makes me feel worthy of, you know, myself. And so I want to thank you guys for that. And this is a reason why I really don't mind doing giveaways and, you know, getting on here, videoing every day. Even on my worst days, you guys still come and you still watch and you give me good positive energy and give me feedback. And thank you so much. And so I know this card is definitely, I wouldn't have a problem doing this affirmation because I already feel that way. So I am loved and cared for, not only by my friends and family, but also by myself. And because all of you and what you give to me, I can turn that around on myself. So yeah. And so let's see what it says in the back. It says, when was the last time someone did something for me, even if very small? When was the last time I did something nice for myself? Very nice. Okay, so when was the last time someone did something for me, even if very small? And when was the last time I did something nice for myself? And I also like to add here, when was the last time I did something nice for somebody else? And so, yeah, I want to add that in there just for me. And I mean, every day somebody does something nice for me. And, you know, when you guys watch my videos and you guys comment and give me dialogue, give me ideas, give me criticism so I can improve and educate myself. I mean, all of those things you guys are doing for me. So daily I see that. And also, you know, I have a great husband who's always encouraging me to, you know, do, you know, more and becoming a better person. So, yeah. And yeah, I feel very blessed. Yeah, I feel very blessed. And sometimes for self-care, you really have to think about that and say, when was the last time I did something for myself? Well, what I do every day is, you know, that's for myself as well. So as well as you guys. So let me go ahead and hold it up for you. And so you might want to screenshot it. I know some of you do that. And then here is the other side. So, okay. Alrighty, this was a nice card too. Wow. You know, these cards are so great. You know, I'm so glad that I discovered these. And yeah, these were a total accident. These here, I was on Amazon and I found them because it was a woman and her son. And, you know, I wanted to help them out. And I said, oh, you know, if it's not that expensive. So if I don't like it, I don't like it. But at least I supported somebody. But I ended up being, woo, nice. So, yeah. Anyway, I digress. So, you guys, okay, let's open it up, okay? Let's see. Okay, let's not mess this up. You have to be smarter than the object that you are operating. My dad used to say that. Okay, so here we go. Just gonna go ahead and cut here. And I remember my dad said, always cut away from yourself. Don't cut towards yourself. And that's stuck in my head, actually. And there we go. They taped it a lot. It's all over the place, so this is weird. They don't usually tape this much, but okay. All right, here we go. As you know, we have a bunch of loose paper in here, which I don't know what it does because it doesn't seem like, because now it's all running around. Okay, here it is. And so, let me see what I got. And what I want to do is I want to pull things out one at a time. And I want to do this one first because it's there. Oh, I have a Dessie Osmoder eye mask. Okay. I got stuck on a way. Is that Osmoder? Yeah, Osmoder. O-S-M-O-T-E-R eye mask. There you go. You know, I've been loving Ahava products. I have their hand cream and I have their foaming facial cleanser and everything. And I saw this. I'm like, you know what? I'm going to grab it. And their stuff is really good. It's made in Israel, actually. And they're very nice. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs of pairs. And so here it is. And they come like this, and there's a pair of them in there, I hope. Yeah, okay. And they're for the eye mask for underneath. So I'm going to go ahead and try this on one of the weeks. And I'm hoping I'll like it. I like anything with Dessie, yeah, because it's always, it's good product. So, yeah, this is by Ahava. Okay, that's one. I've forgotten about that one. Okay, and hold on one second. Okie dokie, sorry about that. I had it, you know, people wonder... They're like, how do you know when a sneeze is coming on like a whole minute before? It wasn't a whole minute, but I'm exaggerating. But I got that tickle. I'm like, oh my God, I gotta sneeze. Okay, hold on 1 minute. I sneezed. I'm back. Anyway, not like you needed to know that, right? But anyhow, so, okay, this is called a Badminton brush set. Oh, 1 powder brush and 1 contour brush. Okay, so here it is in a box. And I'm trying to remember ordering these. So, okay, here we go. Oh, this is very nice. Look at this. Ooh, nice and fluffy. I have so many brushes now. Oh, the hair's coming out. But yeah, look at this. Contour brush and a powder brush. Oh, I hope the shedding goes away. Well, I have to wash all the brushes before I start using it anyway. But yeah, look at this. And I saw this and I said, oh, this is not bad. A pair of them. And here is the contour one, which is nice. And so, yeah, very nice bristles. I like it. Yep. And I'm going to go ahead and put these aside. Looks like it goes like this. Oops. And then, because in case I want to go ahead and give these away, because I have a lot of brushes now. You know, I just unboxed those brush subscriptions. So, yeah. Okay. And next is a big box again. Oh, this is another one. I must have been really into the eye mask thing. But I have tried this before, and I really do like this one. And this is also an under eye. It's by Ona, New York. And it's really, really nice. And I think I only got like 1 in a box. And so this is a whole box. I'm like, yeah, I'm getting it. Yeah, here it is. And so I think I got it in one of my skincare boxes, if I recall. But yeah. And so I'm glad to get that. Yeah, boy, I have a lot of eye masks and stuff like that now. So I'm going to have to send some friend mail. Okay. And I got a whip brush cleaning system. What is that? Okay, it's a brush cleaning system. Okay. What it is it's a... Okay, here's the soap. You run your brush, through here at the soap. And then you take what's on the lead... And you go, and then you clean the brush with it. And then you rinse it afterwards. You just close it back up again. And so, yep, it is a whip brush cleaning system. And so that's that. And next, I got a Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. And then, oh, okay. They had the triple, this is in tan color, which may be too dark for me because I'm actually fair. And so there it is. And it's I've always wanted it. And they never do have them in my shade like fair. It's this magnetic, the highlighter system, see? So they kind of stick. You could kind of like put them together like this, you know, or you can put it like this. And so what it is it's a whole system of, let's see, I think it's contour, right? This one is, you see, it's a little bit dark. And so that may be the lightest one, not sure. This one here is called Caramel. And it's well, you can use it for whatever, wherever. This is Caramel. And this actually could work for my contouring, actually. And this one says kind of dark. And so this is dark for contouring. This would be way too dark for me. So I'll probably put this one in a giveaway. And here is the bronzer. And I like this. This is a bronzing one where you just bronze. Yeah. So, yep. Okay, that's that. Well, you know what? I may go ahead and put the whole thing in here and give it to somebody. If somebody ever wins that have a darker skin tone, you know, I can always throw it in there. That's what I usually do. So, yep, that's that. And the last thing in here, this is the scary part. And this is the Natasha Denona. And this is the one I didn't get, which is the light color with the green. And this is the Jubilee. And I know Stephanie got hers and hers was broken. So I'm like, please don't let it be broken. Whew. There it is. Jubilee. Okay, and I got the Ayana already as part of my pick. That was my, well, it wasn't a pick, was it? They put it in there. Yeah, so randomly. So here it is. This is very nice. And I think I'm going to like this because I don't have anything like this. So, yep, I'm going to go ahead and give that a try. So, great. Okay. It's kind of weird because I thought they came in another box within a box, but I got this only. Doesn't it come in another box, like a nice box? It's okay. Box is a box. I don't care as long as it's not broken. So, yeah. And I just did actually order the Natasha Denona, her new palette for the summer. And so that should be coming down. The scary part is it's actually coming while I'm going to be gone. And it's going to sit on my porch and I'm hoping it's there. And it's a $65 palette. What was it called? Oh yeah, Zando. It's a full-size Zando. But the thing is I had rewards. I have a Sephora Visa card. And so I had rewards and I had over like $110 and so I spent 65 of it and got it for free. And so I'll go ahead and know when I get that, and hopefully I do get that, I will go ahead and do a look for you guys, okay? And give you my first impressions. So, what did you think of my add-ons? I mean, is this something that you would have gotten? Is there something that you see here that you would have gotten but you didn't see? So, yeah, let me know because usually people say, oh my God, I didn't see that. How did you get that? So, yeah, but I'm one of those people that set an alarm and come like midnight, boom, you know, whenever they release it, 9 a.m. or whatever. So, yeah, my beautiful wildflowers, that's it. So if you have any questions or comments, please put it below. And if I added any value, please hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you like these content and you like humor, please do subscribe. And so, my beautiful wildflowers, I wish you have a good day, good night, good week, good weekend. Regardless, just don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.